Drink little, because it can make you lose weight very fast, making you lose belly fat and slimming your waist in a few days. If you thought it was a simple spice, you will be surprised, these leaves are very slimming. I'll tell you all about this drink. But first, tell me in the comments from which city you are following this video. This bay leaf recipe is a gold mine and is increasingly being commented on by people who have tested and proven the high value of the recipe to lose weight and belly fat. That's because these leaves have anti-inflammatory, digestive, diuretic and rheumatic properties. Folks, the drink made from these leaves has an antioxidant and anti-retention effect, helping the digestive system, but what makes the slimming effect of this drink a real treasure for drying body fat is its mixture with cinnamon. When this happens, chemical reactions of these two ingredients make the effect of this drink a real natural remedy, which loses weight very quickly, promoting the reduction of inflammation in the abdominal area and swelling. The bay leaf has rich components that are worth gold called eugenol and eucalyptus, acting as an exterminator against body fat, reducing bloating, gas and stomach acidity, also improving abdominal pain. Cinnamon is a well-known weight loss treasure. It produces chemical reactions that accelerate, and if consumed regularly, it can stop the natural process of fat accumulation in the body, especially in the abdominal region. Cinnamon is directly linked to blood sugar control, helping you to control anxiety and providing considerable loss. This tea, with these ingredients, is being acclaimed and very well spoken. People who have tested it are reporting rapid weight loss and are increasingly referring to friends. So, let's go to the ingredients of bay tea with cinnamon, to lose weight fast and lose belly. We will need 10 bay leaves, 1 cinnamon stick and 1 liter of water. Put 1 liter of water to boil with the bay leaves and cinnamon stick. After starting to boil, lower the heat and let the natural herbs boil for approximately 15 minutes. Then leave the mixture to rest until a pleasant temperature to drink. Have a cup first thing in the morning on an empty stomach and choose a time in your day to have another cup. It is recommended to drink 2 cups a day. You can take it every day until you get the results you want. And in addition to losing weight, you'll enjoy the benefits to deflate the stomach that this drink has. Attention, cinnamon is not recommended during pregnancy, nor is it recommended in high doses. Guys, I would like to pass on a message that is in 2 Peter 3-8. Do not forget this, beloved, with the Lord 1 day is as 1,000 years, and 1,000 years is 1 day. We like to know why of all the things that happen in our lives. We want to know what time, where to go, how to get there, and what will happen when we get there. God helps us by creating a sense of security around our time. But God's timing is so far from our concept that it can sometimes be difficult to understand and trust God's timing. We can regain our sense of security and trust that everything will happen in God's timing. Today's video was this. Until the next. Goodbye.